How to install Flutter in Windows 11. So in order to install Flutter, let's first open up the Google Chrome. Here search download Flutter. And from here, select the second link that says choose your development platform to get started or Flutter documentation. From here, select your platform. For now, I do have Windows, so tap on Windows. Go to desktop. From the download page, scroll it down a bit, and you would be able to see is VS Code to install or download and install. For now, we are just going to tap on download and install and download the zip file of Flutter. And after a while, the zip file will be downloaded. After the zip file is downloaded, extract the file. After the zip file is extracted, copy the folder and go to Drive C and paste the file here. Open up the Flutter file. From there, open up the bin and simply copy the drive path and go to Windows and search Edit, System Environment, Variables. Open up the panel. From there, go to Advanced and tap on Environment Variables. From there, go through Path and tap on Edit. From there, tap on New. The copied path and tap on OK. Tap on OK. From there, open up the command prompt and run as administrator. And type Flutter. And if you have successfully installed the Flutter, you would be able to find the information on the command prompt. And in this way, you can install Flutter in Windows 11. So if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.